Hi, my name is Mosh and I'm super excited to be your instructor. In this 3-hour course, you're going to learn everything you need to get started with SQL or SQL. Talk about tables, relationships, different types of joins, subqueries, regular expressions, and much more. These are the essential concepts that every software developer or data scientist must know. This SQL course is packed with tons of exercises that help you both learn and remember the SQL syntax. Also, there is a table of
In this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get started using SQL. Now, SQL is a language which is used to interact with relational database management systems. And a relational database management system is basically just what is a database. We'll talk about the different types of databases. We'll talk about what SQL is and what it actually means and how you can use it to create databases. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to install something called a relational database management system, which like
For the time, let's take a look at the topics for today's session. So we'll start today's session by understanding the data definition language commands, in which we'll understand what is relational database management system, how to normalize your database management systems, how to create, delete, and alter database objects, and also get an understanding about the different types of constraints present in database, such as create, alter, and also how to fetch and show the data from databases using various kinds of commands. And finally, we'll end this topic with the SQL operators such as comparison, logical, and so on to get an understanding of how you can play around with your database.